big days in 2012 in my life, as you all know. But I think today is a very, very, very big day for me. Because it's the first time that the entire world and all my fans are going to know me through just this small little diary, even if it's a style diary. But as you read the pages and as you turn the pages, you get to know Kareena the person. Obviously, when Mrs. Day came over and spoke to me and told me that we're going to write this book, I was very nervous because I was like, oh my God, now I have to sit and write this, and is it just going to be me? And she was like, no, we're going to get somebody as like a bouncing board and somebody who's going to write the text for you, but in my voice. So it's very important that I had to connect with Rochelle and actually feel comfortable. And the most important is I had to trust her. And finally, when I had a face and she came in front of me, I think we just kind of hit it off. And I felt comfortable enough talking to her about my husband, my then boyfriend. I felt comfortable talking to her about my jeans size, my waist size, whether it was 24 or whether it was 30. Well, now it's 27. I felt comfortable enough talking to her about the lingerie that I prefer to wear and the lingerie I feel young girls should wear. Coming to that, I think every Bollywood actress would be a little nervous talking about that. But Rochelle and everyone convinced me that obviously no style book is kind of complete without having a little bit about what you sleep in, what you kind of are comfortable in being, at home at night, and talking about lingerie and innerwear. And I actually felt comfortable enough talking to her. So that's really, really special. In fact, when this book was being written, Rochelle spoke to Saif. In fact, he spoke a bit too much. I had to tell Rochelle that please don't write all this. It's too much. It's too much information. And I had to fire Saif and say, Saif, why have you spoken so much? You don't have to give so many details. So Saif oscillates. He's moody. And if you open any chapter in our book, there's something for everyone. Whether it's someone who's even like 14 to 35 or 40. I mean, I have to say 40 because my husband's 40 plus, so there has to be something for the 40 pluses out there. So there's, it's for everyone. And so I kind of enjoyed playing this role, but it's also quite a responsibility to always be very stylish, I have to admit.